starting with today's video, I would just like to introduce myself. I have been teaching IELTS online. I am from India, but currently I am residing in Australia. But I take online classes and offline classes here in Australia. If you are interested to learn about IELTS and if you have failed in your IELTS exam maybe 2 times, 3 times and you're still stuck in one particular module, I can definitely help you out. I will be mentioning my contact details and my Instagram handle in the description box. Before starting with the video, let me just tell you that please like this video if you really love the content. Also, I will be making more videos related to IELTS which will help you to boost your score. Without wasting a lot of time, let's start with today's video. And in my today's video, I am going to discuss about a couple of ways with the help of which you can improve your IELTS speaking. I have come across students and I have taught students who are underconfident, who feel that before going for their IELTS speaking, they don't know what to speak. They are not having ideas. They're not able to generate their ideas, or they're not fluent, or they're fumbling when they're speaking. So you just watch this video till the end, and definitely this video is going to help you out. I'll just give you a couple of points that can help you to improve your IELTS speaking and boost some confidence, will help you to generate more ideas. Let's start with it. The very first thing which I need to add is, let's talk about fluency. How fluency comes, you don't have to cram your things. The cue cards that you are having, like the cue card on which you have to speak for 2 minutes, I'll never suggest anybody to cram it. रट्टा लगाने वाला उसके अंदर कुछ भी नहीं है. It's just that you have to understand, you have to create a story in your mind. Let's assume that a question says that describe the last trip that you visited, or describe the last, maybe describe your favorite adventurous sport. So just think about a story in your mind, like what all happened during that time, and then try to form a story and then speak. And believe me that you will be able to generate the ideas yourself, and English will automatically come out of your mind if you'll have a story built up in your mind. And IELTS में ऐसा कुछ तो होता ही नहीं है कि everything आपको जो भी बोलना है वो सच हो, ज़रूरी नहीं है. Whatsoever you're saying, क्या पता कोई ऐसी स्टोरी बनाओ कि yes we went there, even if it didn't happen, no one is saying you. It's just about gossiping, and it is just about generating more and more ideas and curating them and combining them, just adding some proper connectors and cohesion and connectivity. All right. So now let's talk about that, how we can increase or how we can improve our vocabulary. When I talk about vocabulary, it cannot be increased in one day. It cannot be मैंने आज बोला कि मेरी ये वाली वीडियो देख लो और आपकी vocabulary increase हो जाएगी. It can definitely not happen. So how you can increase your vocabulary, how you can boost your vocabulary is by actually listening to some of the podcasts. I would suggest you're just taking bath, you're just doing any household chore, just play any of our podcast. These days we have multiple apps. We have Spotify, we have podcasts which are available on YouTube as well. Just log on to them, just listen to them, just let them play and let that English go into your ears. That will not only help you to improve your IELTS speaking, because it will add to your vocabulary, but it will also help you to improve your IELTS listening. Your score will be boosted if you will listen to these kinds of podcasts. Number 2, you can also watch some of the vlogs. The vlogs these days that are particularly in English language, you can just watch, you can just go through them, and that will also add some common vocabulary words which you can inculcate when you are giving your IELTS speaking. Alright, so let's move ahead to idea generation, that how the ideas can be generated. How you can express your emotions. If I talk about the last question of our cue card, it is always that how you felt about it. How you felt about it. So basically they're asking that what was your feelings, or like what are your expressions related to that cue card or related to that incident which is actually happening. So first of all, you need to avoid confusions in your mind. You need to avoid confusions. You need to be clear with whatever you have to speak. You do not have to think in the back of your mind कि अच्छा अब मुझे ये बोलना है, अब मैं ऐसा बोलूँ या मैं ऐसा ना बोलूँ. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. The clarity, those ideas that you have in your mind should be crystal clear, so that you're just speaking fluently and those ideas are just created. Okay, See, as I mentioned earlier also that IELTS के अंदर the more you are going to learn how to lie, जितना झूठ बोलना आप सीख पाओगे, जितनी stories बनाना आप सीख पाओगे, उतना ही अच्छा आपका band score आएगा. Because IELTS में your examiner is not even interested कि आप जो बोल रहे हो, like the whatever story or whatever idea you're telling, whether it is correct or not. Because it is not a knowledge-based test, it is actually a language-based test. But इसका ये भी मतलब नहीं है कि आप completely off topic जाके बोलो, but still they are only interested to know that whatsoever ideas you are actually speaking, what grammar, you know, what kind of English you're actually inculcating for them for that, and they are not interested to know about your story, about whatever you are speaking. Keeping in mind it is not off topic. Okay, let's talk about some of the myths which creates nervousness. I have seen a couple of students who are too confused about things. In a way, they are always confused कि हम कौन से center में अपना exam fill करें. Which should not happen. You should work on your skills. आप अपने skills पे focus करो. You work on improving your English speaking rather than thinking कि हम okay, so there was a South Indian, so they are not going to give us bands, or there was a foreigner, so they are going to give us good bands. And अगर हम किसी छोटे शहर में एग्जाम भरते हैं तो we'll get good bands, और बड़े में तो नहीं, big city में fill कर रहे हैं exam, so we'll not get good bands, right? All these are the myths, all these are just the thought processes which are being curated by people these days, which should actually not happen, because ये कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, it is only creating nervousness in your mind, which should actually not happen. Okay, now the biggest question is that how to practice. Okay, आपने vocabulary, you can listen to podcast, everything, but then how to practice. Believe me for this thing, if you want to practice, you just need to have one thing, that is your mirror in front of you. Either you have a mirror in front of you, you just speak your cue cards, you know, you speak it, you just record it. Take your phone camera, speak your cue card, put a timer, and just listen to it again. You're going to analyze your own grammatical errors. I can give you that in written. You will be able to analyze yourself. Self-introspection is there when we talk about English language. हमें सुन के पता चल जाता है कि हम क्या ये English सही बोली गई है या ये English सही नहीं है. उसके बाद वो मिस्टेक्स को एनालाइज करने के बाद record it once again, and then see that whether वो वाली जो मिस्टेक्स हैं वो अब रिमूव हुई हैं वहाँ से या फिर नहीं हुई हैं. Believe me, maybe when you'll do this activity for the first time, second time, or maybe you're doing this for initial days, you'll feel कि ये मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ या ये मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. You will feel awkward, you will find it daunting, you will find it boring, you will find it will lead you nowhere. But believe me for once that practice in the front of mirror, or practice in front of your phone's camera, and then try to analyze it and listen to it again, it will definitely help you to improve your IELTS speaking. Okay, now let's talk about clarity. ये एक छोटी सी टिप है, बहुत ज़्यादा काम भी कर सकती है. आप जो भी बोल रहे हो अपने क्यू कार्ड में, और फॉर दैट मैटर इफ यू इवन गिविंग योर पार्ट 3 एंड पार्ट 1 आंसर्स, जो भी आपकी नॉर्मल इंग्लिश की स्पीड है उससे थोड़ा सा धीरे बोलने की कोशिश कीजिए. उससे क्या होगा, एक तो आपके आंसर की लेंथ जो है वो एग्जैजरेट हो जाएगी, एंड द वे यू विल बी स्पीकिंग, मोर क्लैरिटी विल बी प्रोवाइडेड टू योर एग्जामिनर, एंड टाइम जो है वो भी कवर अप हो जाएगा. बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट यू पुट इट ऑन 0.2 और 0.5, बट वट एवर योर नॉर्मल स्पीड इज, उससे थोड़ा सा धीरे बोलने की कोशिश कीजिए ताकि इट बिकम्स मोर क्लियर. एंड देन okay, wait, the last thing that I want to add is, let's assume that you do not know the answer of any particular question that has been asked to you. I was just talking to a couple of students, and a question was being asked to one of them, that what is space? Now that's a big dilemma. That what is space, what you have to answer, what kind of space they're actually talking about. So again, as I mentioned, just now I mentioned that IELTS is not a knowledge-based test, but it is a language-based test. What I mean by language-based test is कि अगर कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा जाता है जिसका आंसर आपको नहीं भी पता है, तो उसको आप किस तरीके से रिस्पॉन्ड करोगे, वो आपका एग्जामिनर आपको जज कर रहा है, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट बेसिकली योर एग्जामिनर इज ट्राइंग टू एनालाइज योर लैंग्वेज एबिलिटी. So in that scenario, if you really do not know about the answer of a question, what you can say is, well, I do not have much idea about this question. Well, I do not have much idea about this topic, but my fair guess says this and this, whatever you want to say. Alright? I hope that I am clear. इसी तरीके से कुछ चीज़ें, कुछ और वीडियोज़ I will be making. I hope these tips of speaking, these were very few tips, very quick tips that can help you on initial basis and some initial grounds to boost your score and to help you to gain some confidence in your IELTS speaking. Moreover, I'll be coming with more videos on all the modules of listening, modules of IELTS, that is listening, speaking, reading, writing. Let me know in the comment section that which video you would love to see next. I would love to make it. I just love my camera. Subscribe to my channel, like to this video, comment in the comment section that what you want me to do next. And if you're interested to learn IELTS, you can contact me from the number which has been mentioned in my description box. I'll also mention my Instagram, which is isha_IELTS. You can like to that, follow that, and I also upload some short videos over there on daily basis, which can again help you to improve your English and your IELTS. I hope everyone is doing great. Happy New Year. I hope this new year will ultimately land you to some new country. All the best. I'll see you in the next video.